Hello, my name is Jane Becker, and today we will be talking about the town of Holden. We're going to be talking about the market in Holden, and I'll tell you a little bit more about it. I actually live in Holden myself, so this one's near and dear to my heart, so to speak. In any case, it is very important to look at what is happening now based on what has happened in the past. So I will be comparing this month in March to previous 2018 information and how it reflects 2019 information. So the listing units, meaning how many houses went on the market in this time a year ago, was 51. This year we've had 38. So that is a very significant number in that we're going to have less inventory. An average day in the market a year ago was 135, and now it's 152. So what that means is that the houses are selling at a slower pace, on average about 20 days less. An average list price a year ago was $518 plus change for $118,000 property, and now it's $485 on average. So the other piece of information you can look at is the average list square footage. What is the price per square footage of the listed property? A year ago was $215, and now it's $209. So the prices obviously have gone down quite a little bit, but a lot when you're looking at full price. The month supply is basically what is considered an absorption rate. So a 6-month supply is an average amount of time, while anything that is longer than 6 months is a buyer's market, and everything that's shorter is a seller's market. So right now we have a month and a half worth of supply, while a year ago it was 2 months and a little over 2 months. So the absorption rate, or the month supply, is still in the seller's favor. So let's take a look at what has happened in sales, because houses will go up on the market, but really to know what the market is going to be like, it really depends on how the properties sell. So 2018, 27 properties sold, and in 2019, 37 properties sold. Well, that is showing us that properties in Holden are selling better this year than a year ago. Average days in the market in 2008, and keep in mind that now we're talking about sold properties, we had 81 days on the market. Now we have 65 days on the market. So homes that are selling quicker. Average days to the offer. So how quickly do these homes get an offer? Well, in 2018 was 44 days. Not surprisingly that in 2019, it's 46 days. So this is where you see the trend we talked about before, that the market is actually slowing down right now. An average sale price of homes in 2018 was $326,000 per change, and now it's $346,000. So the price has gone up on the homes that are selling. And the sale price, not the list, but the sale price, square footage, price per square foot, we have almost $191 per square foot a year ago, and it's just a tiny hair over $197 now. That actually is a 3.16% increase. An average increase per year in a level market is 3 to 5%. So that actually falls in line with the average interest appreciation. So what else can we learn about this information? Well, if you want to know how well houses are selling, an average sale to list price ratio a year ago was 98.29. Right now it's 98.94 on average, which is good. Working with me, my clients find that I get them 99% of asking price for the last 2 years. So I do better than average, and that's what you would expect with an agent that you want to hire. I think that's pretty much the information I have for you in Holden. If you have a specific town that you would like me to review, please comment on it. I'll be happy to include it. Thank you so much.